Hello and welcome back to Business APAC. Today, we're asking a big question: is your money safe in your bank? There's been some news that the RBI, which is the boss of all the banks, has told Kotak Mahindra to slow down on some things. We're here to break it down and see what it means for people like you, who use the services of Kotak Mahindra Bank. So, if you're curious about your bank and its current news, stick around. In this video, we are going to discuss the RBI's strict actions against Kotak Mahindra Bank. So without any delay, let's get into it. Kotak Mahindra Bank stands tall as one of India's leading private sector banks. With a robust growth in profits and a customer base that's expanding rapidly, it's a key player in the banking field. The bank's financial health looks strong, with a steady increase in net interest income and a solid capital adequacy ratio, which is a measure of a bank's financial strength. Now, let's talk about the RBI. It's like the guardian of the banking world in India. The RBI makes sure banks play by the rules, keeps an eye on their health, and steps in when needed to keep the banking system stable and trustworthy. It's the RBI's job to regulate and supervise banks, set the rules for how much money banks need to have in reserve, and conduct inspections to ensure everything is running smoothly. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, posed a monetary penalty of 3.95 Indian rupees crore on Kotak Mahindra Bank for not following certain rules. These rules are about managing risks when banks outsource financial services, how they work with recovery agents, customer service, and restrictions on loans and advances. And now specifically, the RBI has stopped Kotak Mahindra Bank from adding new customers through online and mobile channels. They've also been told to stop giving out new credit cards. This is because the bank had some big issues with its IT systems and didn't meet the RBI's standards for managing IT risks and making sure information is safe. The RBI found that the bank didn't fix these problems even after being told what to do. During the Statutory Inspection for Supervisory Evaluation, ISE 2022, the RBI found that Kotak Mahindra Bank wasn't up to the mark in following some important rules. The bank didn't do its yearly checkup on the companies it works with, and it contacted customers at times it shouldn't have. They also charged interest from a date they weren't supposed to and asked for extra money when loans were paid off early, even though they weren't allowed to. The bank's IT setup and how it keeps information safe were also not good enough. The RBI said that Kotak Mahindra Bank had problems with managing its IT tools, keeping its systems up to date, controlling who can access what, working with other companies safely, keeping data secure, and being ready for emergencies. Because of these issues, the RBI told the bank to stop getting new customers online and to stop giving out new credit cards. For the existing customers of Kotak Mahindra Bank, it's business as usual. Your accounts and services are running without a hitch. You can still use your credit cards, online banking, and mobile apps just like before. But if you're looking to join the Kotak family, there's a slight detour. You won't be able to open a new account online for now. However, you can still walk into any Kotak branch and start an account the old-fashioned way. And for those wondering about credit cards, if you already have one with Kotak, you can renew it without any trouble. The bank has hit a pause on handing out new credit cards until the RBI gives the green light. Kotak Mahindra Bank has taken swift action to address the RBI's concerns. They've rolled out new technologies to beef up their IT systems. The bank is working closely with the RBI to fix any remaining issues quickly. They've assured their customers that these restrictions won't really affect their current banking services. The bank has also made it clear that they're open for business as usual at their branches. They're welcoming new customers, minus the option of getting a new credit card for now. Kotak Mahindra Bank is committed to ensuring customer safety and maintaining trust. So, we've journeyed through the twists and turns of Kotak Mahindra Bank's current saga. The RBI has put a pin in some of the bank's operations, like signing up new customers online and issuing new credit cards, all because Kotak needed to tighten up its IT and security game. But if you're already banking with Kotak, you're all set. Your services are rolling on without a hitch. And if you're looking to hop on board with them, you can still do so by visiting a branch. The bank is not sitting idle, they're on their toes, working to sort out the RBI's concerns. They're committed to keeping your money safe and sound. Now, it's over to you. Make your financial choices based on solid research and the latest, reliable information. And before we sign off, in an era where digital banking is king, how critical is it for banks like Kotak Mahindra to align with the RBI's digital compliance to ensure the safety of our money? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.